Welcome to the Amazon rainforest, one of the most magical and mysterious places on Earth. But first, you'll have insane luck if you like and subscribe before this video ends. This massive forest produces about 20% of our planet's oxygen and is home to over 3 million species of plants and animals, many still undiscovered. The Amazon River flows more than 6,400 kilometers, carrying more water than any river on the planet. More than 400 indigenous tribes live here, keeping ancient traditions alive. The Amazon is powerful, beautiful, and vital, but also threatened. Protecting it means protecting the future of our planet.